Our next tutorial shows how to use AI to evaluate the ingredients in supplements sold online, but you could use this feature to evaluate the ingredients of anything you want to buy as a healthcare consumer. Today, we're exploring how to make informed choices about supplements, particularly those aimed at improving focus and ADHD. Let's start by searching for a popular supplement. We'll choose MaryRuth Organics Nootropic Focus Supplement for adults. Here we see the supplement we're interested in. Now let's take a closer look at its ingredients. Our supplement contains a USDA organic proprietary blend, including Astragalus Root, wood betony herb, Ginkgo Leaf, and several other natural components. We'll use an AI tool to analyze these ingredients. This tool helps us understand the natural origins and potential health benefits of each component. If you are a healthcare marketer, try this too to see how AI rates the ingredients in the dietary supplements that you sell. According to ChatGPT-4, Astragalus Root is known for boosting the immune system and reducing stress, which can indirectly improve focus. Ginkgo Leaf is another key ingredient, celebrated for enhancing cognitive function and concentration, crucial for those managing ADHD. Gotu Kola Herb and Rhodiola Root both support mental clarity and resistance to stress, while licorice root, despite its mild effects, should be used cautiously due to potential impacts on blood pressure. Isn't that cool how ChatGPT will give you warnings about contraindications of ingredients, like it has here for licorice root? Lavender and spearmint both have calming effects, aiding in anxiety management and possibly improving sleep patterns, which are often challenging for individuals with ADHD. Lastly, the organic nature of these ingredients, verified by USDA organic certification, ensures they meet stringent production standards. With AI tools like ChatGPT, we can quickly understand how each ingredient might help with focus and ADHD, empowering us as healthcare consumers to make informed decisions. Remember, if you are considering supplements for your own personal use, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially for specific conditions like ADHD. Did this help you learn new ways to use AI for healthcare marketing? If so, sign up for my new course on how to enable AI for healthcare marketing at naturallyable.com.